Hey everyone, this is your Hedi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a good news for you. The good news is that IKEA is finally online in Delhi NCR. So अब आपको कोई भी लॉन्ग स्टोर विजिट्स नहीं करनी पड़ेंगी. आप easily अपने घर से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, which will be more quick and convenient in my opinion. Now IKEA is also delivering across North India in Jaipur, Chandigarh, Lucknow and more. You know what's the best part? The best part is that IKEA is giving 15% off on all the orders above 4999. So you can use this code to avail that offer, but hurry, the offer is valid till 31st of March 2025. Now I'm going to show you some clips of me visiting the opening of IKEA in Delhi, which is in Saket Select City Walk. But this tour is just a gimmick of how IKEA might look alike or how real IKEA stores might look alike. So just the representation, but the vibe was exactly like that. Now let's see those clips and later I'm going to show you my haul. Hey everyone, this is your Hedi and today I am in Select City Walk Saket because IKEA has finally opened here in Delhi. I'm super excited to check what's inside because I've never been to any IKEA stores. This is my first experience and that's why I'm extremely excited. I just want to get into the store, but the store will open at 11 a.m. so I need to wait for some time, and once I'll get in, I'll let you know what was my experience and I'll show you the glimpses of my visit. At IKEA early to visit actually benefited me. I have got a goodie bag. I'm just so happy. Once I'll reach home, I'll open this and show you all what's inside. So as promised, I'm going to show you what's inside this. This bag has been given to the first 500 people and luckily I was one of them. So I've got this. Let me show you what's inside. The first one is this chips. Basically sweet potato chips, which is healthy unlike the potato ones. Then I have got this nuts and berries and snacks. Then I have got this coupon. You get 500 off on the purchase of certain amount. Then I have got this. At first I was not able to realize and understand what it is, but later I got to know from my brother that this is a phone holder, which is just great and very useful for me. This is a thoughtful gift, I think, in my opinion. So I'm grateful for all these things. And now this is haul time. So here's everything I've got here. This is quite heavy. Let me show you one by one what I've got. It's about to fall actually. So this is the first one I've got. This is basically a salad bowl. This is I've got for myself. I'm going to make a salad daily because I love them, and this is also very important for healthy lifestyle. Now the second one is this. I've got 6 of them and then I've got 6 another. These are said to be microwave safe, so I thought I should try this, and it's also really reasonable. In 99 rupees I've got these 6. That's just great deal. Then I have got this bottle. This is basically to store my detox water because I've been told by my nutritionist that you should drink a detox water of 1 liter at least daily. So I'm going to have it. And also I love kanji, so I'm going to store kanji in this and drink a little bit every day. The next one is this. This is ideal for making salads and have it later. And also I'm going to use it to make onion pickles. I love onion pickles. I love onion in general. So I'm going to have it and enjoy it with my meals. So the next one is this, which is basically to mix your coffee and matcha fairly well. So I'm going to use it for that. This is again very reasonable. I'm going to mention the price here. And then I have this one, which is just merely for decoration purposes. Then last but not the least, actually there are two more. Let me show you one. So this is a garlic press. We love garlic, so this is really essential for our family and for our kitchen. So I bought it. I really enjoyed it because I already used it and it's just amazing. Now the next one is this spatula, which is again for very convenience and also for our kitchen. It's very convenient basically, so I got it. And the last one but not the least is this, which is great to grease your pan and use less oil than you usually do, so it's great and healthy. I think that's pretty much it, but let me tell you, the packaging was great. It was extremely safe. All the glass products are extremely safe. I really give it to IKEA. I really hands down say that the packaging was great. TDs, I really like all the items I've ordered. This was my haul. What would you think about it? Would you buy from IKEA online? Let me know in the comment box. Please zarur batana. Until next time, take care, bye-bye. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you have a good one.